Your mug still by the sink, ring of tea cold and brown, your jacket on the door, like you're coming back around. I still reach for your laugh at the edge of my name, but the room holds its breath and nothing feels the same. I walk past the frame where your shadow used to land. My hand knows the shape of your hand in my hand. Every little thing keeps calling out your face, and I stand in the middle of this quiet place. Empty chair, still there, still pulling me under. Empty chair, still there, you're everywhere in this house. Empty chair, still there, I hear you in the silence. Empty chair, still there, and I don't know how. Your book's on the shelf, still bent from the rain. That photo by the lamp, still wearing your name. I fold your old shirt like it might warm the night, but the dark keeps your shape right beside my life. I talk to the walls like they might talk back, count the steps to the room, then I fall right flat. Every little sound turns into a past, and the longest goodbye is the one that lasts. Empty chair, still there, still pulling me under. Empty chair, still there, you're everywhere in this house. Empty chair, still there, I hear you in the silence. Empty chair, still there, and I don't know how. Then you left the flame burning in the corners, calling out your name. I hate that the world goes on without you here. I hate that I'm learning how to live through tears. Empty chair, still there, still pulling me under. Empty chair, still there, you're everywhere in this house. Empty chair, still there, I hold you in the silence. Empty chair, still there, till my heart runs out. Empty chair, still there, still there, still there. Empty chair, still there, I won't let you disappear. Your mug's still by the sink, and I leave it there for now. Empty chair, still there. Empty chair, still